Hey, I'm Tristan Gatto, creator of Yoga Prehab, and welcome to Movement Monday, where I bring you weekly bite-sized stretches and exercises to keep you feeling strong, flexible, and injury-free. Let's get started. We're going to scoot to the edge of the chair. I want you to slide your right heel back. What you want to do is almost as if you're going to stand up. I want you to put pressure down into your heel as if you're pressing the pressure and the heel, driving it way down into the ground. Nice tall posture. You should feel a little stretch to the back of the heel. And we're going to work into the ankle capsule. So there's a capsule around the joint that sometimes gets stuck and stagnant. And we want to increase that by pressing it forward. Don't press to where it feels painful in the front of the ankle, just enough to feel a good little stretch to your Achilles tendon, your calf muscle, and feel a little compression to the front of the ankle. So already, if you've been doing this, we've been here about 20 seconds. We'll take 10 seconds more. Just really, really breathing here. This is when you're going to cool down. Good. Let's switch it to the opposite side and really push that foot down. If you have to slide your butt forward and the foot back, feel free to do so. And we're holding here, just breathing, relaxing. Nice deep inhales and exhales. Really letting your body and those tissues that we just worked relax.